Wa wo ko t-shirt say unhu hwe no. Mente wase. Ye de adwuma ba. Huh? Also when the NPP government also why they no Kwesi Asamoah, it is in his constituency. Okay? No, it's not about say government be na edebe. If anything, the government is there to help Ghanaians and not NPP. It is a NDC district here. That is the reason why we voted for them. Me yame politics, sir. But also what you say, aha, me yame politics, sir. Because a Jumane ba, Sebi, NPP for what pram umbenye biaye. NDC for what pram benye biaye. But the thing they say, he actually also 10% slot. 10% slot. Now, we are our better TV, so say, buying Sam George, you are one of the dishonest people ever. Most sorry, I'm about Botaya, Kotratina, Ajinasari, sorry, Muninamoya Cromfo. You guys are crooks and thieves. You wear this suit and tie and sit in big churches, Perez Dome and Huang, Otabel Church and day and lie. Mobile Bonti and no big chatro. You do politics and I'm with a free Christ and Yankopon exist. You do politics and I'm with a free Christ say, we are see away a beko, we are say a bebo, a yani you will a fee. Ujina, how you will stop government business? Yeah, the company by how dear. Why you were new fool, some George were fool, we yepi ashishe said the wenya jebirekutu. Also, a moment 10 slot. Na sisa NDC for Koguo. Na NDC for no Koguo Vieswa. Woman say a quack campaign uniform. Go ye nimo. Yadimu ministers too, Quakramuko we a bear sheet. Ewe bruche, ye nimo, Musubano. Ade papa bia nya papa mamo. Ade ye papa bia nya papa mamo. National health insurance and nya papa. Ye who petrol and nya papa. Free education and nya papa. Every good thing a buagano here ni biano. It is never good for my people. Tina maybe say nkroma si factories. Emma ye bon nkroma baso say. Ye papa nkroma ye da was nkroma show boy ya. Aden Akufo-Addo AC the same factories and you people are not willing to even give the man a little credit. Why? Because his so-called communicators are so handicapped with information that to even give information out to people who can speak it is hard for them. Yeah, I'm president, no. Ye shoes are asiawe. Yeah, ye shoes are asiawe na. Upeso uko hupeni kra ni a stop. Opeso uko here ni a stop the any man say ye de yenchi microphone 19. Wo president ya ye nnuma say gu ho anka NDC for bono mu bisa se factories no here na wa bobo amomo no enum bia nye Ghana ni bia yi da bi NPP communicators nim sa ye de ane say ye didi ajaye ene ye didi ajaye ene ye didi ajaye sa anti dia ye nkasa onyame hwe ye ni na Akufo-Addo de bone amadi no nyame be bisa mo bone communicators NPP communicators mo de di Akufo-Addo no nyame be bisa mo na ye amon kan hu say Akufo-Addo ntena so afibọ Oluma enche bia okọ na humjiem na nya ade obe stand again enche bia oluma obekọ na humjiem o obekọ na humjiem na okọ na humjiem wia ede na aka wachire ana mo twan ma na akọ na humjiem na ndisi fo abegina aka say o kufu sebe even another cry ade pa because kufuo so ade say kufuo time ye kanya ka say kufuo akọ abrofo ntafo ede no man kan fa kufuo ho. All because of power. NDC will fabricate every story and get shallow-minded and shallow-headed journalists to propagate that stupidity for Ghanaians to buy into it. And until you see factory, or you won't see a factory. I'm a real testimonial to what they call one district, one factory. And over one district, one factory policy now. They can say government in conjunction with the private sector. And sometimes what wana NDC ni biaba ena factory no kra na ho dada ena factory we na ho dada Dako farms yesusa ena yete say Dako farms ho NDC apen so how many times na ote da seven Dako farms din tale mo ma yanya honesty o. Let's be honest with the things we do. Me say NDC apen so how many times na ote Dako farms din kra say poultry farm your friend Dako farms e wo ho na afide ni na fi say egu ampa so egu ye nti se ne aban bi aba na odisika hyem na ende Dako farms asen afa nipa a omo ye Ghana fo nkola a omo ye adwuma e de enye omo anu aduane na market no so anya sebe ye poultry consumption so akosoro na wo ka kire me say aden wo koye dako farms are two things. You are shallow minded and you don't understand what politics is. I always say politics is not one size fits all. There be politics is not one size fits all. E be a nima for omu hia brosan eno nkyere se zongo junction fo hia brosan e be a sukura fo hia toilet eno nkyere se adenta zongo fo hia toilet. You look at what the people need and you provide them. That is what we call prudent management and prudent government. You look at what the area needs. But se won tiasia se won tibibiasia in a toilet the na me we free say just some years back and just some months back na sabi mama penin what na ne dem sabi o mu fanchame mu amudidi fanchame na wane agu robem na wachechire na wakoto no hwiu na akwakoto obi electric pole so ade e chen ye mama dede odo na fichira na sekan wode akotwa bi mu sei po asai nanim nyina. This was the situation there. Adentia ye ni portable toilet ye ni toilet ye papa nipa betumi ayusu enti papa pani pa gota no sebe no awro no to no won
no eneka or say any person or group of persons, any person of group of persons. And this a me kase me yiku na me nyankrofo bi mo support me, it means they concur. And ye nyina na yiku ese e chi o nyina omo ma be gina ho na yenyi nipa hunu bi say manim be pie yenko omo koy demonstration. The police ought to arrest all of them. Ese e chi o nyina, because that is what the constitution is saying. The reason why me dey this non-entity din na to so work at the chief river, and then I'm going to school him. O kasa bag ye de Ghana say we are saying nyansa unko anikita. You this particular person, who are you? We are wine. Okatachi, we are wine. Ukrano, you were irrelevant. Kufu NPP eba power. Yeah, pre-power. NPP pre-power 2016 udu hube jim and ma ukonya followers. One kasa now we are wine. Because mpanyinfosi baby akwani na aboa so no fa kwa na kwan abeda ho. And ma amanfo be follow. Unyansa ekwesi sen. Unyansa eti sesebi odwonso a oju be ma so odwonso a enko akiri egu na ho. Irrelevant person like you, who girlfriend, your friend say, Zuka. Now, as a girl, no, should the girl get the courage? No one fast have pictures, no, the better Facebook say, oh, now, born, crossing in Bema, oh, born, a man in home, sound police station, you would be arrested. I'm telling you, if you don't know, and they said, Mupia Bontenamo Becassa. Sabi would ye wait Jimmy Kura no tia some no hanea. Penfosi sushefa ye moi. Ye ntia ba ko fo asem mu aten. Police for action. Or ye dien nyansani no. Dien no ye ya police for kwache no. Aso ade no ye no etia mra ene na disi ye che no. You just don't wake up and defend. Because